Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm back with another Unity tutorial. So in this Unity tutorial, this is a basic video, right? So these are all these Unity videos are basic videos. So I'm going to tell you about the basic thing that is called a prefab. Okay, in the Unity we have a prefab which we create ourselves. Of course, we create ourselves, and that is a prefab. And so coming to the definition, what is a prefab? The definition of a prefab is like simply to put in the words. Simply you can say it is a prefabricated object which can used everywhere, by dragging to the scene. Okay, by dragging into the scene from the project panel. Okay, you can just drag the prefab from the project to scene, and you can put it anywhere, and you can do that multiple times. Okay, so you don't want to import everything every time, or you don't want to create an object every time. Okay, you create one time, you do everything to the object that is required to do, and after that you make it a prefab, and you can use it everywhere with the same settings. And there are some other things in the into the prefab, so I will explain you now. Okay, so first of all, how to create a prefab? Simply, if there is an object, so for this sample video, I will right click here, 3D object, I will take a cube. Okay, now to this cube, let's say I have created a box collider, and I have given a rigid body. Done this, the rotation and all, right? So I have set up everything to this object, like the script, one script, that is script. Like this is, if this is a player, think it as a player. Have given all the settings that is needed to player, and have given a script to it. Everything is done. Okay, okay, let it compile. Okay, it is compiling. Okay, now this script I will give here. Okay, fine. Have given some script. I have given some super movement and a rigid body, a box collider, everything. A tag, even a tag, everything I have done to this one. And this is a player, right? So in the every scene I want this player. So if I go to the another scene, let's say in this scene the setup is completed, and I have went to the another scene, and here also I should create some player, right? So that means I should also create a player again here. Like I will all again I should take a 3D object cube, I should use a rigid body, I should do everything, I should do a rigid body, I should do all the settings again, I should tag it again, I should give the script again, right? I don't want to do that. So what I will do is simply I will make that cube in the prefab. I have created that here, right? So in the scene 2 I have created the player, and I can create this prefab. For that I will create a folder. I always create folders for every single separate things. Okay, prefab. Okay, so that it will be in an organized manner. Okay, prefabs. Okay, always keep everything organized. Okay, that way you will find everything easily, and it looks very clean. Now see, in the prefab folder, how I am creating this prefab, how? Just take this, drag it in the in the prefabs folder. That's it. Now we have prefab. Now I can even delete this. Now I can use it. That's it. You just drag and drop. All the settings will be preserved. See, for this one there is rigid body, collider, tag, script, same to this one, same to this one. And if I go to the another scene, I can do that same again. Drag it, drag it, drag it, same things again, right? So this is what a prefab means, which is a, this is a prefabricated. It is already fabricated. All the settings I need, all the components I need, I have given to the first one, and I just made it a prefab, and I can now use it everywhere in the every scene, right? Now what is the, okay, this is fine, that is helpful, but what is the real the speciality of the prefab? Really, what is the speciality of the prefab? I should tell you that one. So see, so there are 1 2 3 4 5, right? 5 objects. Let's say I want to change the scale to all the objects here. So what should I do? I should go and scale for everything, right? So that is again a headache, right? That is again a headache, again pain, right? So what should we do? So with the prefab, the advantage is I just want to scale one, right? I just scale one thing like this. Now just go here in the inspector, select the object, go to the inspector. There is a override drop down here. Click this override and apply all. Everything will be changed. Everything. If you don't want everyone change, you can just scale one thing and don't override. That's it. If you want to change everything, see if there are there are 100 trees or 2000 trees in the scene. You want to change the height of the trees. You think the trees are looking so high, so big, right? Then what you should do? Either you should delete everything or you should scale one by one, right? Or if you create a tree and make it a prefab and use those prefab, if you change one tree and override, everything will change. See, everything will change. Or simply go to the prefab, open the prefab. By double clicking the prefab, it will open. It will isolate it. It is open. Now prefab is opened. Okay. Now if you change this prefab, everything will automatically change. See here. You can see here. It is changing. Changing, right? Changing, right? That is what a prefab. Okay. So very useful thing prefab is. So you should use it. I mean, we will use it a lot of times. So in the further videos, when you create some games and all, I will tell you. I mean, sorry, I'm already. I told you already. So I will show you. Okay, in what is the incredible use of this prefab, right? So Unity did a good thing. One of the best thing in the Unity, I would say, prefab. So very helpful. There are a lot. We will spawn lot of things so many times. You can also use the prefabs to spawn actually. Okay, so it's very helpful. So when we do that spawning and all, you will know how the prefab will work for the spawning and all. Okay, so for now you know the basics of the prefab, right? So you do this one, you will change everything and all. Okay, so now let's end this video. And yes, before ending this video, I want to tell you one thing. Subscribe the channel. That will encourage me to do more and more videos, and hit the bell icon so that when I upload a new video, you will get the notification and you will learn fastly and you will know everything fastly. Okay, so yes, this is it for this video. See you in the next video.